Good afternoon guys, Sean here from 5-Star Marine, and today I want to talk to you about age. I get a lot of questions by WhatsApp, email, and all the different ways that we receive inquiries about the age of travelers and what is the youngest or oldest that we would allow a traveler come on board. Now, as a private tour operator, we're very different to what you would expect in a group tour. Group tours will have limitations on ages because they don't want young kids on board slowing down the tour or disrupting other guests. Whereas as a private tour operator, we can adjust the program, we can adjust the speed, we can customize things to suit the guests on board, which means that we are actually a very family friendly company. And one of the number one guests that we get in our company are young families, families with kids that are just learning to snorkel, people who we take to islands like Kai or Coral and walk them off the beach and teach them how to stick their head underwater and see coral for the first time. And you'll find that one of the best ways to teach your kids to snorkel is to have a third party teach them. Now, when I was trying to teach Lucas to snorkel, he wouldn't listen to me. No matter what I told him about where to put the mask or how to breathe, he wouldn't listen to me. But the moment I put him on the boat with one of my guides, he listened, he got in the water, and he absolutely loved snorkeling. Loved snorkeling so much that he went and got his PADI junior diving license. He went and got his PADI junior free diving license. He goes snorkeling and fishing all the time. Now, I think the underwater world is a great place for our kids to learn, see new things, experience new things, and also get a break from the world that they're existing in. So I really do encourage young kids to get out and explore, and that's why we bring them on holidays like we do bring them on. We want them to go and see a new country, experience new cultures, experience new experiences. And so when people ask me, is there an age where we say no? Generally my answer is no. It's more just about what tour will we recommend. You know, we're not going to put a very young child on a tour into open sea. We might put them into a closer in island to allow them to walk off the beach, to be able to go and snorkel in have fish in ankle depth water at locations like Coral or Kai, or even to send them into James Bond Island. I know that Lucas, when he was 3, one of the very first tours that he did was in James Bond Island, and he was fascinated by the crabs that were crawling all over the limestone islands at Hong and Panak Island. So for those of you who are wondering, is there an age limit on tours? Generally, I would say no, we don't have an age limit on tours. There are some questions that we would ask, like, have they been on a boat before? Can they swim? Have they snorkeled before? These are the relative questions that we need to know to be able to brief our guide and know how many people to place on the boat to make sure that it's safe for both you and your family. So for those of you who are considering to going on a tour, you're a young family and you'd like some ideas on what a family-friendly tour is, there's a link below where we have a whole video about family-friendly tours. But I wanted to spend some time today just to quickly update you on probably the second most answered question. Asked question that I get at the moment. You know, number one is weather, and number two is what is the age cutoff that we have. Now, I understand why you ask this question, because when you're talking to group tour operators, they do have age cutoffs, but we are a private tour operator, meaning just your family on the boat with us. So we'd love to have you on board. If you have any questions about this, feel free to drop a comment below and like and subscribe.